Hi there guys, Alistair from Woodmachinery. We've got quite an exciting machine, second hand that's come in. We've got an Altendorf F45, I'll let you pan it out and show it off a bit. This is a ProDrive, so this has your double tilt, so you can tilt the blade to the left and to the right. So that's quite an expensive option new. I'll demonstrate here. So I would go -45, and I'll press start. Blade just dropped and it's tilting over just now. So that's it in its position. The max blade you can put on this saw is 550. So that'll give you a 204 depth of cut. You can also, I'll tilt it to 45. So I'll go all the way to the other side. Yeah. There it is. Perfect. So this comes a 1600 wide capacity rip fence, but it's a manual. Look at the chunky fence with two flip stops. You've got your riving knife and we've got a scoring blade. We've obviously got the big blade in just now, so we can't use the scoring. I can also show you the variable speed this machine can do. If you come in and have a look at the screen. There's your speeds there. We've obviously got a 500 blade on it just now, so it's running at 3,500 RPM. Obviously go up to 5, but obviously with the bigger blades, it'll limit you to your max. This has a variable speed option, quite expensive, where you can, when you're running the machine, you can actually press the add and the minus button, and you can actually speed up or slow down the blade as you want as you're going. Obviously not when you're putting it through, but just before you put it through. Back to the fence, just your standard kind of tape, measure, rule, where you unlock them and move them to where you want. There's a wee red line there, show you there, wee red there. Okay, lock that back up. We've also got the Mitre device for the back. A lot of guys cut some angles in the back. Some guys actually just cut using this part. Comes with a clamp for holding down your material while you're pushing it through. You can obviously move it up through. We've just put this on and put this on the back. You can turn on the blade from on the sliding table, the main blade and the saw blade. Just if you've got a full sheet on, you obviously you can't reach over and turn it on. So we've got it on the sliding table, so that's easier to do. Back on the blade tilting to the left. Obviously, it's quite an unusual, expensive option to have. Normally, you would see a blade just go from 0 degrees to 45 going to the right. But that's obviously mainly the primary objective is a rip fence. So you're going to get a lot more accuracy because you're using the cross cut fence. So that's 100% accurate. Obviously, there's always a tendency, the rip fence is always a little wee bit off. So you're not going to get the accuracy. So tilting the blade to the left gives you a wee bit more versatility and more accuracy. So we've got this machine in stock, 18.5 plus VAT. We've got engineers available to train and do some commissioning if need be. So yeah, give us a call and it's 01236 432 700. I've got another machine that might be of interest to you. We do the Rojek range. It comes from Czech Republic. This is a PF400S. This is a 3.2 sliding table. It's got it's a 1500 wide rip fence. Comes with a very reliable Elgo digital readouts. If you come in, I can unlock it and just move it. Gives you extra actuators. Obviously, you got a backup one as well. Through there. It's actually a 400 max blade on this one, compared to the Altendorf one. But the advantage of this one as well, this one has a motorized rip fence. So if I'll put in the max 1500. I've just put a coin there so you can see the accuracy when I bring it back. That's 1500, and I'll go back to 1000. There you go, and there's the accuracy there. You can adjust the height by just pressing these arrows. That's going up, it's going down. There. You can also adjust the angle. I'll try to do this. We'll put 22 and a half. You can see the belt tilting over to the right there. So this is a brand new machine. As you can see, look at the steel bars, very similar to the Altendorf actually. Two big solid steel bars. Look at the width of the sliding table, very heavy duty saw, Mitre device, obviously overhead guard, and we've got this machine brand new. It used to be 19,950, but we have reduced it for a May promotion for 17.5 plus VAT. So if this machine might be of interest to you, or the Altendorf, you can contact us on 01236 432 700. Thank you.